All right. You gotta shake, get hyped up or something like that. Like, you know,
I do.
Like, you jumping jacks or whatever.
Missy Elliott.
Yeah. Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we made it.
We made it.
Myrtle Beach Mustang Week 2021.
Yes.
And I am blown away. This is our first time Mustang Week, right?
Yeah, it is amazing. Any car show, any Mustang show, this is the place to be for the entire year. This is the mecca of all Mustangs.
This is one of those journeys that you have to make. It's a pilgrimage. You have to come here and be part of it.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is we're inside the convention center, and we're going to give you our top 5 Sn95s inside the convention center.
Top
Top 5.
It's so many beautiful
cars.
Sn95s here. I'm telling you, from the inside and out, are you going to go outside too?
No, just strictly inside. Just strictly inside.
Okay.
We're going to give you, these are handpicked to be in here.
Yeah.
So these are allegedly the best of the best. So we're going to give you the 5 best of the best. Now, you know, we're just enthusiasts, you know, so don't get mad at us if we don't pick your car or we don't pick your favorite car. We're just doing this for fun. So
I'm having so much fun doing it.
Having so much fun doing it. All right, so let's get this started.
Stay tuned.
All right, so we're gonna go with Sick Fox. Like, you can follow his Instagram page on his build on this. This is a very gorgeous Coyote swap. He's got the weld rims on it. But you gotta look at this engine bay. Doesn't call it sick for nothing.
DJ Suave, let's get it. Eli on the track.
We have this rare beauty, Saleen 351 SR. If you don't know anything about this, this is a factory supercharged 351 Saleen. Not many of these around to see, so this is a very rare car with a rare color. And that spoiler is love-hate. Personally, I love it. All right, so this one is definitely a favorite. This is a 1 of 3 96 Saleen. He's actually put the Terminator valve train in here. It's immaculate. So this is a Mr. Chrome. CCW wheels. Look at the engine bay. The details on this, the intake tube has been painted to match. The valve covers also. Definitely a nice piece.
So, I really don't have to say much about just the look of this car and the color, how unique it is. So this is Coates. What's the handle again?
At Coates 216.
At Coates 216. So definitely follow him with the red shoes. It's a dope color. I absolutely love it. It pops. I mean, I know it's indoors, but you'll definitely see it out in the sun. You follow him and it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
And so other couple of things that he's changed up this year is the wheels and the roof. He's got that carbon fiber roof. Now he told me that this roof, the carbon fiber one, only weighed 1 pound, and the one that he took off weighed almost 30 pounds. So he's like saved almost 29, 30 pounds just by taking off the OEM roof. All right, that's a wrap. Mustang Week 2021. Mike, here you go. I appreciate
doctoring me in my shirt.
That's right. Hey, shout out your Instagram and your YouTube.
Instagram Mustrat Senior or OMG Racing.
Definitely go check that out. He's going to have some Mustang Week footage on that YouTube.
Absolutely.
So upload that. Go check that man out. Go like, subscribe to his channel. Any closing remarks, Kim?
Hey, I had a ball. I'm just elated. The entire show was beautiful. So I'm so happy we came.
Yeah, and if y'all haven't made it to Mustang Week, definitely do it.
Gotta do it.
It's one of those things that
come
you have to do.
for the whole week, though.
Yeah,
come for
the
whole week.
Yeah, all kinds of events, all kind of shenanigans going on down here. You hear the sirens and stuff. So, so hey, I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. God bless.